Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix you do not meet the minimum requirements to access this feature in Borderlands 4. Now the first thing I want you to do is of course meet the minimum requirements, as you can see right here. A lot of the times you cannot even launch the game because you don't have enough RAM. RAM is very important, and then to smoothly run it you need a good CPU and a graphics card as well. So keep that in mind. Now let's move on to the next step. What you will also need to do, you'll need to come at the bottom left, right click on your start, click here on a device manager. Okay, I'll show you how to actually update your graphics drivers. That usually causes the issues. We'll need to upgrade your, GPU drivers, okay? The way we go about this, you just click here on display adapters, right click on your graphics card, and then just click on update driver. It will look for any updates, and if there are, right, when you click on search automatically, then you can go ahead and install the updates. I'll show you the last method. What you need to do is actually verify the game files, and I'll explain in a second why. And the way you go about this, you come to the top, click on a library, you look for your game, okay, right here on the left hand panel, and then just right click on it, click on properties, and then come here to installed files, click on verify integrity of game files. And this will go ahead and, go through your files. It'll replace any corrupted or missing files that causes the issues. Otherwise, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.